I'm here, World of Concrete 2022, if my math is right. I'm here with Ricky from DeWALT, one of our favorite companies. How'd you get that name? Did I like that name?
Ricky?
Yeah.
My dad and my mom.
Dude, that's weird. My dad and my mom gave me my name too. What are the odds of that?
That's novel, isn't it?
It's crazy. It's crazy. Hey, listen, at the end of this, I'm going to ask you some questions, and you can have a chance to win some money. You want to do that?
I do.
All right. So right now, though, but DeWalt's got a lot of cool things here that you're going to show us.
Absolutely. Let's go.
All right, let's do it.
Hey, my name is Chris. I'm Rotary Hammer, Demolition Hammer Product Manager at DeWALT. We're here at the World of Concrete. I've got my two brand new demo hammers, dedicated chipping hammers. I have the DCH 832. It's 15 pounds, 10.5 joules of impact energy. And I have the brand new DCH 892, 22 pounds, a monstrous 19.4 joules of impact energy. Both hammers have shocks to reduce the vibration felt by users and wireless tool control. So when you pull the trigger, you remotely activate the vacuum, keeping you OSHA compliant.
So this is our new Elite Series blade. We just launched that back in September. So this blade offers 2 times the life of the other. So what makes this blade very different to the rest of the market is that it has a welded carbide tooth, which is very different from others. Others usually have raised tooth. And then it has a very different tooth pattern design that allows to optimize for life and durability. So we are going to see one of the demonstrations, and you guys will see cutting through 21-inch nails, stainless steel nails. Yes, and you guys will see the difference between it and
Super cool, right?
And everything's still intact.
Thanks for coming out. You know, DeWalt is releasing our brand new line of Elite Series carbide. So it's the SDS Plus. It's got a brand new head here. We've redesigned it for increased cutting speed and life. It's full carbide, 4-cutter, with the wear mark indicator on the head. So when it wears down, you know you're no longer ANSI certified and you need a new bit. Fluted, tapered core on the inside for additional strength, and iron blast technology. So we actually pelt the shaft with iron balls to reduce the risk of fracture. On the SDS Max, same thing. So we have the tapered core, we have the iron blast technology, and we've got this redesigned head to help clear out the dust and give it increased life and drilling speed. These are all part of our DeWalt's new Elite Series line.
Hi, today we're talking about a brand new anchor that we're releasing right now for the World of Concrete called the CCU Plus. The CCU stands for Critical Connection Undercut Anchor. The thing with this anchor is this is designed for real high capacities as well as very high reliability, both in terms of how it works, but also in terms of verification, how it installs. The thing about this anchor that makes it really unique is our installation sequence allows for this expansion shield to actually open up in the bottom of the drilled hole. In order to do that, we've designed a number of tools to install this anchor. This is what's called a stop drill bit. This drill bit allows us to go in and drill an exact identical depth every single time, and at the same time we have a dust extractor on here to remove all of the dust so you don't have to clean out all the holes. Works very simply. The tool is actually Bluetooth to our dust extractor over here, and it doesn't even turn on until we pull the trigger here. So what we end up getting is maximum reliability, and you can hear the vacuum kicking on right now. All Bluetooth, no cords. You can drag the extractor right behind you. But once the hole is drilled to that perfect depth, we then come back in using a specialty drill bit that's designed to do only one thing, and that's to wallow out the bottom of the hole to create a void for that expansion shield to fit into. If you look here, you can see when this thing opens up, if we didn't create the void in the bottom of the hole, it couldn't expand into it. So what this bit does here is the bit actually goes into the hull, and when you push on the bit, it closes up right here. So as this closes up, you can see right here, this just expanded open, and now you have this big cone-shaped void in the bottom of the hull. This allows this anchor to go in and be completely bottom bearing, which yields some of the highest anchor results from a load standpoint that you can get. To install this anchor, it's very simple. We want to make sure that as the anchor's going in that this expands, but we want to make sure that it's fully installed. So we have markings on the studs that show when this thing is fully down on top of it. So you install the anchor into the hull, and then you use another tool that you can put on the end of your hammer drill that pounds the shield, the expansion shield, over the cone on the bottom. And when it's fully installed in, this red marking on here will show on the outside, showing that you have fully expanded this anchor. If the anchor is fully expanded, you'll get all of the capacity out of it that we design it to have. So once everything is all installed, you nut the anchor up with the washer, tighten it down to a specified torque, and now you have essentially the equivalent of a headed bolt that's cast into concrete. So it's a system approach that addresses installation with very high capacity. It's available in 3/8, 5/8, 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch diameters, and it's available in a B7 high strength rod as well as 3/16 stainless steel. And one of the most important things with this anchor is it's made in the USA. So we have a made in America product, good for Buy American Act projects, and very high capacities for just about any type of application you could ever have.
All right, guys, so there you go. There's some cool things that we actually got to see at the DeWALT booth, but one of the most interesting things that I found out when I was talking to Ricky was the fasteners, the anchors, the adhesives that you guys use. I never knew DeWALT had that line. I always pictured DeWALT as more of a power tool company instead of like, now you're more of like a solutions company in a way because you got all that stuff.
Yeah, absolutely right. I mean, that is our #1 focus, is to be the end-to-end solution, whether it's, you know, design software, anchors, the tools, the consumables like the saw blades that we saw, or the drill bits that we saw. I mean, we think it's absolutely critical to be doing that.
And you got the anchors that are made right here in the USA. Some of your adhesives are here. So I think that's cool. Basically bringing back those jobs, bringing back some of that technology, bringing back some of those products. I think that's an awesome, I love it.
Yeah, it's a focus for us, for sure.
All right, so before we started, I said you'd have a chance to win $100. All you gotta do is answer 5 questions, and it's $100, man.
All right.
And by the way, do you take IOUs?
Maybe.
Okay, all right, cool. All right, question number 1. How long have you been with DeWALT?
17 years.
Dude, 17 years, is that not crazy? Now, I can't verify it, so I'm gonna take your word for it, because I was gonna say wrong, but you gotta be right on that one. You gotta know that one. All right, question number 2.
What, the gray doesn't figure that out? Come on now, come on.
All right, question number 2. What is your name?
I'm Ricky.
You're good, man. You're good.
Yeah,
I like it.
I do my name?
I like it. All right, number 3. Cobra Kai or Miyagi-Do?
Miyagi-Do.
Yeah, wrong. Eagle Fang, dude. Eagle Fang. Oh, wait. Oh, no, they'll take that one. All right, there's 3.
Acceptable, okay.
He's got 3 acceptable ones. I like it. All right, what year is it right now?
2022.
Dude, 4 out of 4. I like it. All right, the last question. What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
Wrong, dude. Bacon. Every person's favorite food is bacon. I appreciate you trying.
Thanks, man.
Better luck next time. I appreciate it. But dude, seriously, thanks for showing us around some very cool things and all that. Anything else you want to say?
Nah, it's been an awesome show so far, and you know, trust me, the best is yet to come.
Awesome, man. I love it. Here you heard right from Ricky at DeWALT. Thanks, man.
Ricky's the man, you guys. Ricky's the man.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.